Hey Gemini, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. So listen, I'm telling y'all, okay, this is straightforward. There's somebody here that wants you to forgive them for everything that they have done in the past, and they want to talk to you. They really want to open up and have that heart-to-heart conversation with you because they would like to reconcile with you. They want to make things right, Gemini. So, I mean, that's straight to the point. So, yeah, all right. Y'all already know this is somebody from the past, so single Geminis, hold on to hope, okay? Just hold on. Because for the collective, I'm picking up past person. So let's see what's going on. Okay, guys, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, I have the Empress reversed. Okay. Whoever messed up, guys, I'm telling you, they feel like you're not going to give them a new beginning. Because they hurt you. Could be dealing with a water sign. Remember I kept saying Pisces? Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I'm telling you, this person, they hurt you. You felt betrayed by this person. Somebody did something really wrong. Yeah, and you had to walk away. You had to, yeah. Tell me more. But they want things to improve between the two of you. That's why reconciliation came out. Okay. But they feel like they messed up so bad, they can't turn things around. They're not going to be able to work things out with you. They don't want to argue with you, Gemini. Gemini, there you are. You could be dealing with another Gemini. But they don't want to argue with you. They know that they cause an imbalance when it comes to the two of you being together. And then there's the Five of Swords. This person feels like they lost you for good. And they messed up bad. Somebody betrayed your trust. They messed up like it's on another level. Yeah, this is why they want to apologize. Y'all, there's somebody coming back. They want to apologize to you. They're just not confident in doing so. Let's see. Tell me more. Yep, but the seeds that they planted with you, they definitely want them to grow. They do. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries, but I feel like this person wants stability with you, and they're using their intuition. They're listening. They're listening to their gut. They're listening to their guides. They're listening to their heart. And this is why this person is regretting everything that they put you through. Because you had to cut them off. But honestly, the way this is looking, they see things clearly now. And they want you. But I'm telling you, they're like, Gemini's not going to take me back because they cut me off. Ten of Cups, they want wish fulfillment with you. They want a family with you. They want it all, but they're not moving forward. This person is still, they're going through something. Tell me more. Yeah, see, this person needs to get out of a toxic situation. That's why they're not moving forward with you. There could be some type of family, like a family dynamic going on, whether they could be dealing with someone with children, or there could be like family that has been interfering. Take it however it fits. But again, this whatever is going on, this toxic situation, this is why this person feels like they lost you for good. Because it's like they chose someone else over you. They chose to stay stuck in a situation, and they know that they hurt you. So right now, it's like they're not making a move towards you because they're trying to wrap that karma up. But I do see them walking away. Somebody could be dealing with the Capricorn. Tell me more. Yeah, but see, they cannot stop thinking about how they left you out in the cold. And it's like they want to rush in to speak their truth, but at the same time, they're not saying anything. They were being really nasty towards you in the past, very harsh with their communication. And this is why things didn't balance out. Some of you guys, excuse me, could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. I mean, the Five of Swords kept making its appearance, so here it is. But they're coming out of being frustrated. Well, it just jumped out. But they're having a hard time. Why? Why are they having a hard time, Spirit? Because they want a new opportunity with you, and I feel like they're making plans, but this person is afraid that you're not going to take them back, which is why they're not putting in the work right now. And they're also, some of them, if they're like in a relationship, marriage, whatever situation that they're in, they're feeling stuck. Family, somebody's feeling stuck. And they don't have a peace of mind, but this is why they're not putting in the work. But they do want to move forward with you. For some of you guys, if they're living with a love interest, if they're living with family members, friends, whoever, this person knows that they have to move, like a physical move I'm picking up. Also, yeah, they're moving away from this person. If they live together, they're trying to figure out how to move out, how to get out of that situation, because they do want to move forward with you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. Tell me more. Yep, I'm telling you, this person has to remove themselves from a third-party situation, and they're doing that. They're going to do it, but see, they know that they hurt you, and this is why they're not positive if you're going to take them back or not. Before, they can kind of read you guys, like, oh, you know, he or she is going to take me back, or, you know, I'll be able to say X, Y, and Z, but whatever they did this last time, it's like, they're like, man, now I don't know. Tell me more. Yeah, see, they don't have hope. Hope is gone. It's like, he or she is not going to take me back. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But see, yeah, I'm telling you. This person, I'm getting tongue-tied because I'm like, this person messed up so bad, and it's like they feel like you're not going to accept their cup. You're not going to accept their offer of love, commitment, but they do want to start over and build with you. But for some of them, they had to break up with someone or remove themselves from some type of situation in order to start over and build with you. But see, they know you're not happy with them. They know it, and that's why they're not talking. That's why there's little to no communication. The Ace of Swords tried to jump out. That's telling me that they want to talk to you, Gemini, okay? They want to talk to you, see? But they know, because it's like they know you're looking for the truth. And it's like you deserve the truth. Why is Justice here? Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify Justice, please. Judgment in reverse. Some of them could have been going to court for a legal situation that maybe they were moving slow because they're waiting on some type of decision. But I feel like a decision is coming out. But see, right now they're not taking a leap. Yeah, there could be a legal situation going on, and this is why they're not taking this leap to come and tell you how they truly feel, what it is that they want with you. Yeah, see? Somebody's definitely getting out of a relationship, a marriage, contracts. But you guys, some of you guys could be dealing with a Taurus, but I'm also, again, picking up that whatever they did to betray you, like, it's bad. I'm telling you, they're feeling like you don't want to be with them. Tell me more. Yeah. This person was in a codependent relationship, marriage. It's a situation. It was very codependent, very toxic. And see, they're having a hard time right now, and I'm honestly feeling like it's more so with their finances. Yeah, see, 5 of Cups, but it came out reverse. This person basically took a financial loss because of whatever situation that they were in, and they're trying to get it together. They're trying to build back up their accounts and save and, you know, the whole nine. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but this person feels like they're not going to be able to have a victory with you because they're going to come in to give you this offer, but they feel like it's going to be rejected. And they do want things to improve, but they're feeling like it is going to be rejected because they put you in a third-party situation and because they were being sneaky in the past. Like, very sneaky. And see, now they're undecided how to go about doing this, how to go about fixing this with you. Because, see, they didn't balance things out at all. Look at that. Some of you guys, this is a soulmate twin flame situation, and I'm our Lord. I just did Sagittarius, and I picked that up. So some of y'all could be dealing with a Sagittarius or cross watcher. You could be a Sagittarius dealing with a Gemini, but this, you know, if not, this is definitely soulmate twin flame. And this person feels stuck because they're trying to make a decision on how to go about speaking their truth to you. But they're afraid if they speak their truth to you, you're not going to want to give them the chance to have that brand new beginning. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Yeah, and the reason why they feel this way is because of, again, what they did in the past. This person messed up bad. They hurt you something bad. And see, that was a tower. But the way it came out, this person is avoiding a tower moment. They're ducking and dodging, okay? They know they have to get out of something or something needs to change, but they're taking their time, so I feel like the universe is going to step in. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but they're trying to have the strength here. I feel like to get away from someone who is toxic. It could have been a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this also could be a family member, a mother, somebody that's a mother figure, or this could be the other individual that they're having a hard time trying to get away from. That's why it's like they know what they need to do, but they're not making a move right now. Yeah, because they're not content with their finances. And this is why they're afraid they're not going to be able to have a new beginning, because it's like this person is, I feel like this person is trying to get something from them or trying to take away from them. Yeah, because see, every time they try to tell you what's going on, tell you how they feel, they just back out of it. They chicken out, okay? And yeah, because they were being very immature, very childish towards you in the past. And see, again, you could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person is confident. They know who and what they want. See, and they're going to come, but see, they just don't know how to come towards you. Tell me more. Ace of Cups. I'm telling you, they're trying to figure this out because they want to give you this offer that just keeps overflowing. But at the end of the day, this person has a hard time speaking their truth. Could be dealing with a water sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But again, this person doesn't really show their emotions, and that's something that they have to break away from. And see, the Eight of Swords is here reversed. That's telling me that if it was upright, they're frustrated. Yes, they felt stuck, but they kept how they truly felt, you know, bottled in. Now, because it's reversed, they're willing and ready to speak their truth. But they're just afraid that you're not going to take this offer. You're not going to take it. Maybe they're letting you know that there is something going on financially with them as well. And maybe this is like creating some insecurities. Like maybe if I feel like I can't take care of me when I get out of this toxic situation, like how can I take care of you? You know, because I want to be the man, or I need to be the woman. I want to be self-sufficient, you know, the whole nine. But they know that they stabbed you in the back. Gemini, tell me more. And they want to speak their truth. I'm telling you, they're coming back. They're letting you know that they want to have a new opportunity with you, but they can't sleep. And they're frustrated because they feel like I'm telling you, you're not going to give them this new opportunity. Because even though they want to balance things out with you, they've been giving to someone else. And that's the problem. Yeah, see? Third party. This person could have been given to this individual in the past, and it may be that they have to give to them financially as well, you know, and it's like they broke your heart. They definitely did. Yeah, and that's why they're afraid that things aren't going to improve, because they know you're not playing with them, Gemini. Could be dealing with air sign, another Gemini, Cancer. Why did I say Cancer? That is clearly not an air sign. Y'all, I ain't got time for this today. So, oh my gosh, Gemini, you could be dealing with a Cancer. That was so weird. Alright, so, again, let's try this again. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. That was weird. Okay, but see, the Queen of Pentacles came out too. So, somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But y'all see this. There are two women here. Could be two men, but there are two people here. This is the issue. The person that, whoever messed up, the person that he or she wants to be with is the person that they treated wrong, you know, and this is the person that they're afraid to approach because they're going to go off. The person that they've been giving to, probably more than likely on a financial level, they don't want to give to this person anymore. They don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into this individual because they know that this person was only dealing with them because of what they had, you know? Tell me more. See? That's why they were moving slow in the past, because they were juggling. But see, this person doesn't want to move slow with you anymore. Yeah, because see, they made a decision. And they're not frustrated about their decision, see? Y'all, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Y'all are what? The third sign now? Oh, I keep getting these 2 4s. Like, there's definitely some type of home situation or family situation going on. There definitely is. And this person is trying to get out of it. Somebody's trying to break free, whether it's something with family, a love interest, they're married, relationship, living together. They're trying to get out of something. I have been seeing this all day long. Oh my gosh. Y'all have definitely got to leave me some comments. Yeah, whatever it is,